My dear brothers and sisters, there's one word, I'm sure we heard it repeated thrice in the passage I read to you. The word is witness. This reminds me of two incidents, one my own school life and the life of the students in my schools, and one which I was a witness yesterday. See, in our school days, in our Jesuit schools, we have, as the SSC boys leave on the last day, we have a special ceremony. We have morning mass for them, the final mass, farewell mass. Then they have a small get-together with the staff members. In the evening, we have what is called passing out parade. Special function for about 2 hours program in their honor, where they are the chief guests. And as they leave the school to the school gate, it's about sunset. There's slight light and slight darkness. And they carry with them, along with them, a lamp, which is lit. And the message as they walk out is, be a witness of what the school has been to you. This happens in all our schools, Jesuit schools especially, all over the world. I remember when I was a schoolboy in 1967, this passage took place, and when I was in Britos, in all schools this happens. But the boys are told, be a witness of what the school, its values have been to you. Yesterday evening, I was at a ceremony somewhere in South Goa, where I was a witness to the batch of 72 of Britos celebrate the 50 years of passing away from the school. And they have met quite a few of them whom I had not taught, of course, but whom I had met. And as they had a get-together with their families, they spoke about what the school was when they left the school portals for them, that they were a shining light, and how in their own lives, all these 50 years, the time they left the school till today, they have tried to live in their own life, how they were shining a lamp to the families and so on. It was a very touching ceremony yesterday when I was there. So the word is witness. They were called to witness the lamp in their hand, to go out and to live the gospel values. Today we heard Jesus making a comment about St. John the Baptist. He says he was a witness to me, to his own personal life, witness to me in the sense of he prepared the way for me by his own life. And Jesus says, now I do not require more witnesses, because I myself am a witness to what the Father is. That he is sent by the Father to be a witness of what the Father is. And Father is what? A God who loves, a God who cares, a God who is concerned about us. And because of that, he has come into our life by being born in a humble manner in the poor conditions. So Jesus' whole life and his works were a witness of what the Father is. Maybe you could pause and ask ourselves, we received baptism many years back, and we received on that day the gift of the Spirit, and we are told to be a witness. So when we are given a candle in our hand, we are told, be a light in the world. How have we been a light to our own families, to our own spouses, wives, children? How have we been a light in the neighborhood, place where we work? We'll ask God that as we now prepare ourselves to celebrate the Lord's birthday, who was himself light of the world, to enlighten our minds so that whatever darkness is there in us may be taken away, or we ask God to take it away, and we cooperate with him, and let the light shine in our lives so that we become witnesses of who and what we are today.